Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Thought I searched for an explanation. There's one thing it could be that I was born for you. And the stars, yes, I was born for you. It has the power so